GGX Gold has been reporting some significant results from work on their gold drop property in the historic Greenwood mining camp in British Columbia. Now, in the midst of their 2018 program, the company has 2 drills at work on the property. We can expect to see more results over coming months, and the timing for investors to get involved could be ideal. Here's company spokesperson Jack Singh.
Absolutely, it is one of the best times to get in, given where we are. And let me talk about that a little bit. This area is a well-known historic mining district, and one of the major players has run out of feed, Kinross. They've optioned most of this mining district. They're doing their own exploration work, drilling, and so on and so forth. Certainly they have their eyes on what we're doing, and so that's a huge, huge opportunity.
With the Kinross Kettle River Mill on care and maintenance, only 60 kilometers down the road, and Goldrop's shallow, high-grade mineralization, the potential to provide economical supply to the mill looks very real.
I want to remind everybody the mineralization we're hitting is very close to surface. The high-grade stuff showing up at 30 meters, 40 meters, 50 meters, 60 meters, as opposed to hundreds of meters where you see some announcements by some companies. These are really deep systems with small meters and high grades. Well, we all understand the cost of extraction would be very, very high. And here is the big opportunity. We do have a major with a mill that's on care and maintenance, and it's definitely in their best interest to find something as quickly as possible, and that's precisely their mission as demonstrated by their activity in the region.
After a successful 2017 program, GGX has expanded work on the gold drop property for 2018.
Well, if you want to look at last year first, we did a couple of months of drilling and got some excellent favorable results, which has brought us to 2018. So at that point in time, it was decided that we'll start the program in the same area. But a month later, we added a second drill rig, which is around the COD vein. So there's 2 drill rigs drilling on 2 parallel vein systems, and results from both of them are very, very favorable. So we're in the process of defining our objective is to define some tonnage and some good average grades. And from what's appearing right now, it definitely appears that we are going in the right direction with all of that.
Despite what looks like capitulation in the gold market, GGX share prices have held their ground, a fact that Singh feels reflects the company's real value.
If you look at the chart on our price, about 3 weeks ago we were at about 7 cents, and up last Friday we hit a high of 14. The stock has doubled in this turbulent environment, and I believe that's entirely due to the fact there is value here. Investors do understand that we've got a system here, could be a very, very large economical system. One of the veins is over a kilometer currently, and it's open-ended in both directions. That's the COD vein. We're working around there. And the Everest vein, which is a parallel vein that's exposed about 300 meters, and that's open-ended as well. So we're working there about 100 meters apart, and that's where our drill program is focused currently.
While GGX continues to advance work at the gold drop this year, investors can anticipate a steady stream of results. And Singh hopes that this will drive share prices throughout the remainder of the year.
Yeah, and that would be the reasons why investors that do invest in this space pay attention to companies that are actually working. And if they're producing results that are looking favorable every week after week after week, you want to pay attention because, 5 or 6 months of drilling, clearly there's going to be a lot of results. And we're not even at the end of it, and the drilling hasn't even stopped yet. There are a lot of companies with great projects, but if they're not doing work, you might be a shareholder in those companies, but nothing's going to happen until they show something. This is showtime for GGX. What we've been showing looks very, very attractive. We do have a major that wants this. Mineable grades, the depth, we talk about shallow, high-grade mineralization. These are some of the reasons we should pay really close attention because we're right in the middle of our program and results, and they're all looking very favorable.
You can find background information on our website at northernequityresearch.com. As always, consult with your investment advisor and conduct your due diligence before making an investment. For Northern Equity, thanks for watching. See you again soon.